Barbara Martha Rizal, and my friends call me Barbie. I'm 18 years old, studying at University of San Agustin, taking Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Gusto ko maghampang basketball, hindi ko gusto volleyball because, syempre, hindi ko kabalo. I love chicken. Hindi ko gusto butigon. Gusto ko mga honest. Tapos, gusto ko loyal. I hate spiders. Maski gamay lang ang spiders. Hindi ko gusto. I love dogs. Sugar glider, gusto ko na. And I hate spiders, guys. Snakes. May outreach program kami sa Jaro Gym para sa mga bata at para sa mga tigulang. Plano namon after this, mapahampang sa ligas this summer. And by month nga maglipas, mapa-feeding program liwat sa mga bata or sa mga tigulang. Setting a good example for my fellow youths can put them on the right path in life. Being a positive role model is a rewarding experience because it allows me to make a difference in a young person's life. Children learn by following the example set by older people in their lives. So, being consistent with my action is very important. According to the University of Nebraska-Lincoln Extension, you can benefit by feeling good about the job that you have done influencing a young person's life, while the child will receive endless benefits from the example that you set. This is my room, please come in. I am Barbara Martha Oberos Rizal, Jaro Fiesta Queen 2015.